guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling with your watch time? Well, today I'm going to help you fix that, okay? Watch time hours were stuck at about 324 and you need 4,000. So I was like, oh my gosh, what can I do to help this? Because I was like, I wasn't posting consistently. That's a major part, but I just was looking at that number every time and I'm like, what can I do to fix this? So I started posting consistently. For me, it's about 4 to 5 times a week. And I put videos that were 6 to 7 minutes long. And it moved from 324 to now 361 as of today. And I'll show you guys here so you can see it. So these are some of the things that I did. Okay, the first thing that I did was change my channel name. My channel name did not really suit what I do my videos on. So I do fashion videos, product reviews, and hair. My name was Kenya Girl 2009 for the longest time. I'm from Kenya. And I put 2009, that's when I created my account. And honestly, it wasn't helping. So I changed it and I noticed the biggest difference. You don't have to do this. If your channel name is already good enough, you don't have to change it. But this is something that I would recommend if you've been on YouTube for a really long time and you're struggling with watch time. Yeah, change your channel name. The next thing, like I said, post consistently. This is not, you want to, especially if you're a new YouTuber, you don't just get to say, oh, I'll post once a month whenever I feel like it. No. Because if you want to grow, and this is for the long run, you need to clock in just like a job and post those videos back to back. I know it's a lot, but with content planning and stuff like that, you can definitely do it. Okay, because I've been doing it and I see the results. All right, longer videos. 6 to 7 minutes for me so far has been working. But I'm not saying just post long, dreaded videos that nobody's going to watch and they're going to skip through. Try to really, really plan that out where it's something that's useful. So one of the things I'm doing, like right now, I have a little 80% is product reviews, hair and fashion, but the 10% is like some things that are random that are helpful. So one of the things I've been doing is posting videos that help with growing your YouTube channel because from somebody who is struggling, okay? So that's something that I'm kind of putting in every so often. Whenever I don't post the other topics, I'm talking about something with YouTube. So I've been doing that to kind of help with, longer videos that are useful and stuff like that. The next thing is editing. Be creative, okay? So one of the things I've been doing now is the first few seconds, I post something that gets people's attention, then they go, I gotta click that. That could be you getting ready to do the video, the camera set up, to maybe, you were talking to your kid about something and whatever. Like, it just has to be something that makes people go, ooh, I want to click that. Although, go to your video, skip it through just to see that part. So it gets them at least clicking the video. So I also looked at my analytics and he said, people watch me for the first 1 minute, a good 1 minute. So what I do with that 1 minute is make sure that I put subscribe, like, and all that in the bottom area so people can go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification and all that without even saying it, because that's the time to get their attention. So, yeah, so that has really made a difference, in people clicking my videos. The next one is content planning. I did do a video talking about that. And this is pretty much anything that comes to your mind that has to do with your topic, write it out. Write it out. And, sometimes I'm just out and about and something comes to me. I put it down on my phone and then I figure out how I'm going to tackle it and talk about it. So really, really be on that so that you don't run out of topics and you don't get burned out. Because at some point, it is a lot posting back to back. So that's really important. So the past month, I've definitely noticed the results doing this stuff. I'm so serious about it. And I'll put, the little, a video right here just showing you guys the current watch time that it moved. From, 324 and from January 14th to now, it's at 361. Just by doing really little small changes here and there. And so, yeah, I hope this video is useful for you guys and I'll see you in the next one.